All right, XRP family. So there's something that I warned you about for XRP that looks like it's in fact going to happen. So we're going to talk about that in this video. I appreciate you giving me a few minutes of your time, and I really respect that time. So please smash that like button and hit that subscribe if you haven't already done so. Spread the word for XRP and all of that kind of stuff. So right now, XRP on the 7 days down 12%. On the 1 day, we're down 7%. So we've got XRP moving down. Now, before I tell you kind of what I was made the video about, you can see that the entire crypto market is down 3.5%. We're at $3,770,000,000,000. There's been about $100 billion go out of the crypto market, and I'm talking about that number right there in the last 24 to 36 hours. Okay, so we've got a fairly significant sell-off here where we got Bitcoin dropping 3.5, we've got Ethereum dropping 3.5, we got XRP dropping 7, and so forth. Solana down 7, Dogecoin down 8, and you can just kind of see everything is Stellar's down 8.5. If we look at the 24-hour here, Athena's up 10, but other than that, everything's up 1%, and we've got a couple of meme coins leading the charge as far as percentage move downs. But then you get into Radium, 11%, still some more meme coins, a lot of meme coins sell off, XLM, and so forth. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. So I did a video on this kind of yesterday, but I specifically didn't talk about this. And I'm really specifically talking about what's happened here, where we broke through that support level and we have sunk right here. Now, the support level was at $3.35. And now we're at 302 and change. So the event that I'm talking about, or what I'm going to make the video to kind of reiterate something that I warned you about, was us breaking through that $3 range. This number right here. I fully expect us to continue to move down because of the overall liquidation that's happening in the entire crypto market. This is not an XRP specific event. This is a liquidation of capital moving out. People are moving their money out of crypto right at this time. We've got some profit taking, things of that nature. If we look at this, which I think is pretty cool that CoinMarket does this now. Why is the market down today? So market fell 3% over extending 7-day decline to 2.3. So we've got a leverage unwind. We had 165 million in liquidations. We got macro jitters, Trump, Powell, rate cut talks triggered crypto equity correlation spike, a technical breakdown. The market cap is broke below the 7-day SMA, okay, the moving average. So it's interesting that they're citing Trump and Powell. I don't know if you know this, Trump and Powell met yesterday. Trump went over and visited the Federal Reserve building where they're putting the new $2.53 billion building up. Okay. And they're building themselves a brand new building is really what I'm trying to say. And they famously, you can see it everywhere, they got into a kind of a argument match, if you will, about spending and all that kind of stuff. But regardless, we've got the Fed policy uncertainty, so forth. I mean, there's always going to be a smattering, it's a good word of the day, a smattering of reasons when we kind of see the market move down. Earlier in this week, it was profit taking. But again, I think what I wanted to warn you about was the fact that we are going to go below $3. It looks like that's certainly going to happen. I mean, we're down 7% today. Am I worried about it? No, I'm not worried about this at all. I feel like this is, again, kind of a corollary to more of macro, bigger issues than XRP. It's not an XRP specific event, is what I'm trying to say to you. Okay. So that's really what's happening. And I just wanted to make you aware of that so you don't freak out and go, oh my God, we've dropped below $3, so forth and so on. I mean, again, it's going to happen, guys. I fully expect it. If we continue to see this trend move down, we got Bitcoin back down around 115. And again, I view this as a buying opportunity. That's me. Okay. So I say that in pretty much every video. I pretty much buy every week, regardless. Just buy a little bit of XRP, buy some Bitcoin, things of that nature. I pretty much buy every week. So just wanted to kind of let you guys know that this is what we're, what we're seeing playing out. And it's really not something to be overly concerned about. This is just an event where we're just seeing a little bit of bleed out happen in the overall market. And, and that's what we're seeing. Okay. So with that, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. If you're interested, remember, I've got my trading indicator. Look, it'll help you. This is a buy alert to a sell alert for XRP, 20 days up 61%. How'd you like to know when to buy and when to sell? The software sends you alerts to your phone, iPhone, Android, whatever it does. It runs on any device. And 26, 20 days, 61% per profit. $1,000 bought here would have made you 613 bucks. You can take it for a test spin because there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee right there. Okay. And the software literally costs about $1.15 per day to use. $1.15. You spend more than that on a cup of coffee. It's a coffee from Buc-ee's. Yep. Okay. So you spend more than that on a cup of coffee. So why not invest in yourself, invest in your family, invest in, trying to figure out a way to make even more money. Cause like you're here watching crypto videos to make more money, right? That's what it is. I'm offering you a way to do that for $1.15 per day. Oh, and by the way, we got a fantastic Discord behind this. You can see this is our private community right here. So we have live training pretty much every week. You can see it. This is live training, trading and introduction, real-time setups. All these are recorded. We do support in this community. We have people sharing profitable trades, all this kind of stuff. Good stuff in here, and a lot of stuff is here. So I want you guys to check it out. And this is here as a support for you to help you, again, not be alone in your journey. So we've built this as a massive Discord community that's all built for you to help you. All right. So with that, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. All right. Links in the description below this video, right down there to check out and pick up the software. All right. If you're watching this on X, links will be below this video as well. See you.